Hi, it's Tasha from WTI.
The clarity and high quality of the screen is really what drew my attention, and you can see that it produces such vivid colors and it makes my job a lot easier. I was very curious on how it would be to have a curved screen and if I would like it or not, and I'm so pleasantly pleased on the detail that I'm able to see and just how much more efficient we are able to get work done. You can see by just zooming in all these vivid colors that you can see on the screen that just really shows it's a good quality. I also trust the brand, and I think that it's lightweight and thin, so I can hang it on the wall and have it mounted, or I can also use the pedestal to just have it sitting on my desk. It's a perfect screen that gives me plenty of space, so I have a dedicated place to work.
And that's my point of view.